so yummy, yummy. After 5 years, guys.
Let's eat.
Wala ketchup. Bawal mag-ketchup. Dapat namin yung bawat nasa flavor right there.
Oh my god.
Mine is 97.49%. In 2 months. Bye, Javi.
Bye, Jollibee!
Bye, Jubilee!
Thank you, Lord. Thank you for that Jollibee. Gamitin nyo to, para masarap. Galing din to, guys, sa ano, yung mga to. Galing din to sa Toronto.
Oh my god, it is! This is what I'm talking about.
I want the spicy one.
Me too, me too, me too.
Yummers.
I haven't eaten rice for how many
Ayun, no?
days?
Gamitin nyo to as gravy.
Ooh, good idea.
Ano ko, nilagay ko ng madami.
Ayaw nila ng gravy but didn't realize this gravy. Sana pala, kinain mo na lang yung mashed potato.
250 each. Mahal nga eh kasi...
So, ilan yung natapon?
Ano?
Sino nagtapon?
Oh my God!
Kami. Kasi bawal nga. So guys, if you're smart, you would put the gravy here. Diba? Hindi naman nila sinek. Nalagay ko to sa ano eh. Loob ng bucket.
Sa ilalim ng chicken, sana yung gravy.
May x-ray nga. May ano, makikita nila may kulay. Sila na ano yun.
Oh yeah. For the fruit. What you say about how many years?
Chicken talaga.
How many years no Jollibee?
10.
10 years. 5 years. Thank you for my brother. He's the real MVP.
Nagastos ko mga 130 plus for all of these.
I'm gonna keep this and cherish this forever.
Sabi nga nila, if-frame lang naman yung resibo.
For the record.
Yeah.
Crispiness.
Yummers. Round 2.
It's the taste of the Philippines.
Mayo.
What you doing, daddy?
God. What's this? Cheese? This cheeseburger? Is it
Hamburger with
cheeseburger?
cheese.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Para kaya siya.
Kalimutan ko.
Ba't ganon? Lasang Angel's Burger na lasahan ko. Alam mo yung pag, ano, yung amoy natin, Angel's Burger. Wait lang, sa gitna pa ako.
Parang ginawa ko.
I'm getting there!
Parang ginawa ko lang eh.
I got in charge. How many chicken? Wait lang. I can't find the aroma. The burger aroma. Na-overcome ng chicken.
Kainin ko ito. Oh, dito eh.
No, what you say? You're gonna be the flop.
Ay, ito pala si Alan. Shota niya.
Not shota.
Ay,
like
Short time.
I don't like shota. Say it.
No, Shota.
No, not.
I'm a jeje.
No, shota. Say it.
Na. Girlfriend si Mayang. Ayun. Magkano?
Yung mo.
Masarap yan, overflowing yung yung fake ay mango nila. Sa loob yung feeling, sobra.
Bigyan natin si ate tsaka si kuya dalawa.
Wag na. Pag-pacing lang sila.
Huwag mo ikakat yun. Huwag mo ikakat yan. Try doon to.
At, sana di ako nag-rice.
Bakit?
Busog ako.
Let me smell it first.
Kay nanay.
Bad mood.
Oh,
I'll keep this for nanay.
it's different. It's made with tomato sauce.
No.
Tikman
Oh,
mo na
banana ketchup.
Dugo-dugo.
Yeah, it's fresh. Para siyang kalasa ng Popeyes ng konti.
No.
Like slight, really, really slight.
6 na oras ako hindi nakainom ng tubig.
Wow! Wala bang tubig sa airplane?
Mahal.
No, free!
No,
Oh
wala.
my God, ano yung free snacks niyo?
Wala.
Tapo to.
Oh,
Kasi
wow.
yun yung condition ng soup. Libre yung parang cheap yung plane ticket pero
So basically, the food makes it expensive.
yeah.
Kaya
Yung cup noodles nila $4 ata. Or,
we may
mahal lang ng tubig sa airport.
And, sorry.
Sa airplane din.
Sorry, can you heat up the fries, please, babe?
Bawal ka magdala.
It's time for us to taste the spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Ito na yan.
Tapos
Family pack siya guys. $15
Pero
na
I've seen the spaghetti. It's in a oblong tray. Yun yung family pack.
Ayan yung...
No.
iba yung... Ewan ko.
Oh no, it's not the red hot dog.
Yeah, it's the American one.
I don't
So,
like
basically-
American hot dog.
Basically, ito, parang sa
I
inyo.
Filipino hot dog.
Yeah, Philippine hot dog is more
Bigger.
tastier.
So, kumbaga parang imitation
Juicy.
lang yung spaghetti nila.
Rated as medium.
Ay, no, green-minded. Kaya nung natikman ko yan, guys, parang wala din akong, alam mo yun, I don't feel anything. Parang,
Lagyan mo ng
it's a
effects.
normal
Have you tried the
Baby,
American hot dog?
lagyan mo ng ng effects ng yung parang Angel's Heard yung
Yung gano'n?
Hindi.
Saan?
Yung pag kinakain na
Excuse me?
This is how you eat Jollibee spaghetti.
Alam mo sa Montreal, what people do when they eat pasta, ay dapat pag ganon, tapos iikot sa kutsara.
It's everywhere.
No, doon ko na nakita yun eh.
Yeah,
Di malaki yung nila, yung
pang soup.
Hindi talaga ako na-feel dyan.
Like yung sauce is bitten, it's dry.
Normal lang talaga.
Yeah, it's normal. You can cook that.
Nakaka-satisfy na sa cravings, siguro. Pero, yung Jollibee talaga ng Pinas is better.
It's different. But then, yung isang serving nila nung parang isang ganun lang.
Yung,
But the hotdog is sweet. Yun yung hotdog sa Jolly hotdog.
as you guys can see, wait. Yan nakita. Ayan guys, so, it's not the red hot dog. It's the, ano ba tawag dito? Basta parang ham na, na kulay.
Oh, it's a chicken.
Ha?
Chicken hotdog.
Ito?
Kasi it's not...
Basta hindi siya pang, pang Jollibee, not the original. Uwi mo yung isa.
Umi mo yung isa.
Uy, gabi ka naman. Bigyan mo siya ng malaki.
Huwag mo na siyang bigyan. Okay na yun, nakatikim na siya.
Oh, ito malaki. Ilagay mo sa Tupperware.
Lagay mo sa ganyan, tapos pag uwi niya, paglagay na. Isa lang laman.
Kung nagpadala sana kayo, hindi sana mga kahit 10 bucket pa.
See?
Kasi sabi mo merong limit
Oh
eh.
my
Ha?
God.
Hindi, ngayon doon ka lang nalaman.
Yeah, di mo sinabi niya walang limit. Huwag mo sana pabili na 20 bucket.
Gawin mo.
Woo!
Overhead bin ko lang nilagay, kaya
Buti mo lang kumuha ng chicken.
kapag madami, baka hindi din ako payagan. Pero sabi naman kasi, food lang naman yan at isa lang, kaya pwede naman.
Tsaka it's from Canada.
I'm so full.
Excuse you. Ayan na kasing tumayo!
Panitin mo na ako.
Pumangit na yung fries ng I mean yung lagayan. Kasi,
I mean, it's like always like that since then. In the Philippines, they serve you cold fries. Sorry, but it's true.
kahit anong fries, hindi masarap basta old, like nalamig na. Masarap pag fresh.
Yes.
And,
Can you please do your part? Hit up.
Man. Fine. Oh.
Huh?
Okay.
This is for nanay. It's for me, mano. And this is for me. Sige.
Pati, huwag ka maniwala din yung bibigay. Hindi makakabot si mama niya.
Ito sa isang tao.
Naka-isang peach mango pie lang kasi ako, kaya I need to keep that for myself too. Eto, yung burger. Eto lang, oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
gaya ko rin yun sa akin.
No, he's lying. Guys, he's lying. Like, big time lying. I'm gonna give it myself. Okay? 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 No.
Iyan mo na.
No.
Isa lang ako, sige, isa lang.
I know, because it's all gonna go to your tummy. Kasi inaaway niya ako kanina.
Kunin mo yung pinakamalaki.
Inaaway niya ako, baby. Inaapi niya ako. Sabi niya, pagkalikuha ng Jollibee, alis na siya. Iwan niya ako dito.
Yes na ako.
See? Nakakain lang.
What the heck? So, wala na. No more!
It tastes awful.
Yung,
Fries. Kasi hindi kumain.
itago nyo to remembrance natin. Kahit man lang to. Kaso hindi mo ng Jollibee.
Kaya nga. Kaya wag
wala
na. Kaya
ako.
dalarama.
Sa ano? Yun nga. Ay, hindi naman dalara. Ay, hindi meron!
But it's not as cute nung dati. Like, there's
Jollibee.
cute na
So,
Jollibee.
original spoon and fork nila to. Ha? Plastic yun. Ano?
No, it's different. Kasi naka-ukit talaga yung head ng Jollibee to na engraved Jollibee. No, yung
Ay,
dati.
syempre, nag-upgrade sila. So, we'll keep this. No choice. Hindi ako nakabili ng Jollibee na toy kasi first, nung pag-open ng store, first 100 lang yung binigyan. Kaya, no choice, diba? It's manga!
No, this one.
That's manga! Ay, wait, peach.
It's crisp. It's cheese. It's cream cheese.
I mean, yung budget is.
This for you. From Janjan.
Ate, say hi to the mukbang.
Welcome back to Canada!
What do you mean, Canada? Edmonton lang.
You've been anywhere to Canada, now welcome back to Canada!
Magbabay na kayo sa mukbang.
Hi.
Bye-bye. So, that's it. Anong rate ulit?
10 for the chicken.
No for everything.
7.
7 out of 37.
Pakain sa kuya.
Ako 8. 8.5 actually. So, yeah.
Kaya nga sa'yo ko ibibigay eh. Kasi
Bye-bye.
ikaw bibigay sa kanya.
Mataban.